Let's not sugarcoat it. Artificial intelligence is changing the rules of work, business, and life itself. And while most people are still asking, will AI replace me? The real question should be, how do I use AI to get ahead right now? Here's the truth. You don't need to be a coder. You don't need a computer science degree, but you do need to understand how to work with AI, not against it. That's why we're counting down the 9 essential AI skills that will put you ahead of 97% of people. No hype, no fluff, just real-world skills that anyone can learn. Let's start the countdown. Stick around till number 1, because it might be the most underestimated skill of all. Ethical thinking and responsible AI use, being the conscience in the code. Before we even talk about prompt, data, or business strategy, there's one skill that needs to come first: ethical thinking. AI isn't neutral. It reflects the biases, assumptions, and intentions of the people who build and use it. Responsible AI use means asking hard questions. Is this AI system fair? Could this harm someone? Are we reinforcing bias or discrimination? Who is being left out of the decision-making process? Example: a company uses facial recognition for security. Ethical thinkers on the team ask, does it work equally well for all skin tones? What data was used to train it? Do users have a choice to opt out? Another example: a hiring manager uses an AI resume filter. Without ethical checks, the system could quietly exclude great candidates based on race, gender, or zip code. Being the person who raises these issues doesn't make you a problem. It makes you essential. In an era where technology moves faster than policy, ethical thinking is your internal compass. It keeps your projects aligned with humanity's best interests, not just business goals. Responsible AI practitioners are trusted. They get promoted. They get invited into rooms where decisions are made. If you want to lead, start by thinking not just about what AI can do, but what it should do. Bonus: Yuval Noah Harari on responsible AI. The most important question in the 21st century is, who controls the data? Because whoever controls the data controls not just the future of humanity, but the definition of what it means to be human. AI isn't just about automation. It's about influence. It's about control. If you're thinking critically about ethics, fairness, and responsibility, you're not just using AI. You're shaping the future with it. 9. Prompt engineering, the skill of asking AI the right questions. Imagine AI is like a genie in a bottle, powerful, fast, capable of almost anything. But there's a catch. If you don't know how to ask the right question, you won't get the result you want. That's the core of prompt engineering, the art and science of crafting prompts that guide AI to give you useful, accurate, and creative results. Let's look at 2 prompts side by side. Bad prompt: write a blog post about dating apps. Better prompt: you are now an expert relationship coach. Write a blog post for men explaining the top 5 psychological benefits of using dating apps. That second prompt gives the AI context, direction, and a goal. The result? A post that sounds more human, more useful, and more targeted. Prompt engineering is like learning to speak AI's native language. You don't need to write code. You just need to think critically, give context, and be specific. Real-world use case? A copywriter uses prompts to generate high-converting ads. A teacher uses prompts to create custom lesson plans. A founder uses prompts to write pitch decks, social media posts, and investor emails, all within minutes. If you can learn to ask better questions, AI will give you better answers, and that gives you an edge every single time. 8. AI-powered personal branding. Build a reputation that scales. In 2025, your personal brand is more than just a profile picture and a clever bio. It's your digital reputation, and AI can supercharge it. Whether you're a freelancer, coach, content creator, or job seeker, AI-powered personal branding helps you stand out without burning out. Here's what this looks like in action. Use AI tools to generate custom logos and branding visuals. Automatically write blog posts or social media content that sounds like you. Schedule and manage your posts using AI-powered assistants. Analyze your audience's engagement and tailor your messaging. Let's say you're a fitness coach. You can use ChatGPT to write daily fitness tips, generate email newsletters, and even outline a digital course in your tone and style. All in an afternoon. Or maybe you're a graphic designer. Tools like Midjourney and Canva's AI features help you generate creative concepts faster, build a portfolio, and pitch clients with zero guesswork. The result? You look polished, consistent, and professional across every platform. Even if you're a one-person brand, AI gives you the power of a full marketing team at your fingertips. 7. Data storytelling and visualization, turning numbers into action. Data is everywhere, but most people drown in it. Data storytelling is the skill of turning complex numbers into clear, emotional, and actionable insights. It's about answering the question, so what? AI tools like Tableau, Power BI, or even ChatGPT can help crunch numbers, generate charts, and summarize reports. But it's your job to give it meaning. Example: a nonprofit has raw data about water scarcity across regions. Rather than showing 20 pages of charts, they create a story-driven infographic showing how access to clean water improves education and health. That moves people. That gets funding. That drives real-world change. In business, a product manager might use AI to find patterns in user data, but then craft a visual, story-led pitch to align the team and prioritize features. If you can explain data in a way people understand and feel, you become indispensable. 6. Creative AI thinking. Think beyond. What AI was built for, most people use AI to save time, but the real leaders use it to create something brand new. Creative AI thinking is about seeing the unseen possibilities. It means asking, what else can I do with this tool? A visual artist might use AI to remix styles and create something surreal. A musician could blend jazz, techno, and AI-generated vocals to invent an entirely new sound. A YouTuber could generate multiple storylines, titles, and scripts in minutes, and A/B test them all. Creative thinkers don't just use AI to do what's been done faster, they use it to do what's never been done before. This skill separates those who follow trends from those who start them. 5. AI business strategy and implementation. Make AI work for the bottom-line companies. Everywhere are shouting, we need AI, but what they really need is someone who knows how to make AI work for business goals. AI business strategy means identifying where AI fits in your business, choosing the right tools, aligning AI with KPIs, revenue, efficiency, customer experience, managing risk and ethics. Let's say a retail company uses AI to predict product demand. They cut waste, optimize inventory, and reduce costs because someone knew how to create and execute a strategy. It's not about having the fanciest model, it's about solving real problems, improving outcomes, and thinking like a strategic operator, not just a tech enthusiast. 4. AI project management, leading humans and machines. The demand for AI project managers is exploding. Here's why. Building AI tools is messy. You need someone who understands the technical basics, the user goals, the business vision, and the constraints. An AI PM coordinates all of that. They translate between data scientists and marketing teams, keep timelines and budgets in check, ensure ethical concerns and performance benchmarks are met, and steer the team from idea to launch. Example, a major airline wants a chatbot. The PM needs to align engineers, customer service reps, legal, and brand managers, while managing rollout, feedback loops, and updates. If you can lead AI teams like this, you're not just valuable, you're rare. 3. Natural language processing. NLP. Understanding how AI understands you. NLP, natural language processing, is how AI reads, writes, and speaks. You don't need to build NLP models, but if you want to thrive in an AI-driven world, you must understand what they can do, what they can't, and how to use them effectively. Example, a social media manager uses sentiment analysis to track how users feel about a new product. If they understand how NLP breaks down text, keywords, tone, intent, they can refine results and take action. Same goes for HR teams using AI to sort resumes, or marketers analyzing customer reviews. Knowing how NLP works equals more control, better insights, and fewer costly mistakes. 2. Curiosity and continuous learning. The ultimate career mode. In the age of AI, the tools change every week. What doesn't change? Your mindset. Curiosity and continuous learning are the real superpowers. The ability to explore new tools, test ideas, and adapt is what separates the leaders from the lost. Real-world example. A marketer discovers an AI tool that can generate entire ad campaigns. They test it, refine it, and master it, while everyone else waits for a training manual. Or a teacher learns how to use AI to personalize lessons for every student in the class. Curious people don't wait for permission. They experiment, they play, they grow. Bonus. Albert Einstein on lifelong learning. I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious. In a world of constant change, curiosity is your greatest asset. It's not about knowing everything. It's about the willingness to explore, to adapt, and to grow. 1. Understanding AI's limitations. Knowing when not to use it. And now, the most underrated AI skill of them all. Knowing when AI isn't the answer. Here's the truth. AI can be biased. It can hallucinate. It can make mistakes that cost real money or real people. If you don't understand where AI breaks down, you won't know how to use it responsibly. Example. A recruiter uses an AI tool to shortlist applicants. If they don't understand how the algorithm works or how it can reflect hidden bias, they could unintentionally discriminate against great candidates. Same goes for AI in finance, healthcare, or justice. The best leaders aren't just AI enthusiasts, they're AI realists. They know what it can do and what it shouldn't. You now know the 10 most critical AI skills for the modern world. These aren't buzzwords, they're tools for transformation. But knowledge alone isn't power. Applied knowledge is. Pick a skill, practice it, experiment with it. Because the more you engage with AI, the more valuable you become. Comment Future Ready below if you're committed to building these skills. Subscribe for more deep dive content and watch our next video on how AI is beginning to understand human thoughts. Yes, seriously. Thanks for watching. You're not just keeping up with the future, you're leading it.